Today's topic is comparing quantities. Example 8.1, third one and fourth one. Today I will explain. The answers are: third one answer, total students are 25 members. Students are interested in maths. 72% of 25 equals to 25 by 100. How here 100 came? Percentage meaning 100 into 25 by 1. If denominator number is not there, we have to take as 1. 25 1 ja, 25 4 ja, 4 1 ja, 4 18 ja equals to 18. Number of students like maths 18 number. Number of students not like maths, we don't know x value. Total students we have to calculate as total students minus number of like students. Total students are 25 minus number of students doesn't like maths are 18 equals to 25 minus 18 are 7. So number of students are not like maths or not interested in maths are 7 members. Fourth one answer is total matches played, we don't know x value. Number of matches won, they won number of matches are 10. Won percentage 40, 40 percentage are won percentage. X equals to 10 into 100 by 40. 0 0 cancel, 4 1 ja, 4 25 ja, x equals to 25. Or you can do like this also, 40 by 100 into x equals to 10. 40 by 100 into 10 equals to x. 0 0 cancel, 4 1 ja, 4 25 ja, x equals to 25. Number of matches played are 25. Thank you.